Alright, the other type of blast that you can make without milk is called a water blast. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a blast made with water, no milk, not soy, not anything. So I'll just do a description. It's relatively easy. Same measurements. It's a shot of espresso for a 16 ounce, 2 shots for a 24 ounce, and then you would come over here and you would use our filtered tap and fill it all the way up to the appropriate line with water, and that's it. And then you would make the blast the same. So let's say I'm making a 24 ounce. I put 2 shots of espresso in there already, and I would just fill it all the way up with water, pour that into my blender, and if it's a chocolate, then I would put in for a large 3 scoops of chocolate. If it was vanilla, then I would put in for a large 4 scoops of vanilla, and blend it the same. And it actually comes out very smooth. It's very, you almost can't tell the difference. Now the next drink I want to talk about though is, we get into some of our diet drinks, and this is where it can get confusing. This is the Skinny Blast. The Skinny Blast is a blended mocha, but it's got less calories than our regular mocha. It's about half the calories. A 16 ounce mocha I think has around 200 calories. So a Skinny Blast would have about 100 calories. It's not an exact science, but that's about what it is. Skinny Blast is a little bit complicated. You don't make it with the regular toddy. You got to measure it out similar to some of these other drinks. So what I would do for a Skinny Blast, still gets the same amount of espresso. Pour in a full shot. Let's say I'm making a 16 ounce Skinny Blast. Full shot of espresso. Then I'm going to take some regular non-fat milk. I want to pour it about halfway up. It's about there. And again, remember, it's a 16 ounce, so it's going to this line. So then I will take water and do it up to that line right there. So it's really on the weak side. Pour it into the container. The Skinny Blast, again, it's less blast powder. It's half the blast powder that you would normally use. So for 16 ounce, I'm going to use 1 scoop. That doesn't make it very sweet. So we'll add 1 packet of Splenda, pour it in, and then blend it as normal. This drink can be a little bit icier than regular beer. Because the blast powder does smooth out the blending process. And it looks a little bit lighter too. But it's still very tasty, and a lot of customers do like it.